سلام دوستان، تو این ویدیو میخوام یه موضوع خیلی جذاب رو بررسی کنم، این که بازی کال آف دیوتی موبایل با یونیتی ساخته شده یا آنریل انجین. برای اینکه این رو بررسی کنم، کنفرانس GDC 2019 که برای اولین بار کال آف دیوتی موبایل رو معرفی کردن رو اومدم زیرنویس کردم و در ادامه برات پخش میکنم. یادت نره که حتما کانال رو سابسکرایب کنی، لایک کنی و برای دوستات هم ارسالش کنی.
Last year, we announced a collaboration with Tencent to develop an all-new mobile experience. From the start, we had one goal in mind, singularly focused on developing the definitive first-person action experience in an original free-to-play title designed exclusively for Android and iOS gamers. Built in Unity and coming to the West, please take a first look at Call of Duty Mobile. So you start with Call of Duty, the #1 selling console game franchise in the US for 10 consecutive years. And Tencent, with their incredible experience building some of the most successful mobile shooters on the entire planet. And built in Unity, this has given us the performance and the visual fidelity and also the flexibility to capture that authentic Call of Duty experience onto mobile. For Call of Duty and mobile, this is a perfect match. Now, to take a closer look at the game, help me welcome Tencent's Director of Technology, Shadow Guo. Let's start by taking a look at the material system. We use the physics-based rendering using Unity shader systems, which has made it really easy for us to set up our own render pipeline. All of the visible elements are fully physically based and support advanced features that you would only expect to see on game consoles, like full image-based lighting and specular occlusion using bent normal. The physics-based render pipeline is used for scene elements, and then we use Unity's light probes, which are placed procedurally, as you can see here, for dynamic global illumination. We also use reflection probes for metallic enhancements. So the lighting features are so important for scene rendering. And to achieve that immersive Call of Duty look, we combine static shadow masks with dynamic cascaded shadow maps, and the combined lighting results are something you would never expect to see on a mobile device. Now let's talk about animation. So we've been able to achieve some really awesome animation effects in Call of Duty Mobile. We start with Unity's animator controller, which has provided excellent flexibility so the programmers and animators can get exactly what they want. In addition, the team was able to build upon Unity's built-in physics. And as you can see from these test dummies, we built our own custom inverse kinematic and ragdoll system. Now, what's great about this is for our animators, they don't have to worry about keyframing every little keyframe. Now we can just work on the really important animations and let the procedural systems do the rest of the work. When it all comes together, it just looks awesome. Thank you, Shadow.